Hi there guys, and I'm having to do this upload again and record it again only because the previous Powerbook G3 memory upgrade video, the quality of it wasn't really too good. So what I've done now is basically refilming it basically. So here it goes again. I haven't bothered doing the restart from scratch as it has 128 megabyte RAM in there and it just took forever to just load up and get to where it is right now. So I've got the memory here. Can't zoom it in because it will be blurry, but it is a Kingston 144 pin 144 pin SDRAM SODIMM, and it's a PC133 memory module. Now it's going to be installed into the Powerbook G3. So I'm going to start by showing you the system profiler and showing you exactly how much memory is already installed and how slow it is under Mac OS X Tiger. So just by me clicking on just being clicking on that, it just took forever to load up as well. So here we go. Zoom in there, and it's got, oh god, it's a bit blurry, but I'll just read it out to you anyway. Mac OS X version 10.4.11, and it's a 500 megahertz PowerPC G3 processor, and it's got 128 megabyte SDRAM installed already. So I've got 512 megabyte SDRAM right here, which I'm going to install. And I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to shut down the computer right now, which is going to take forever to shut down. So shut that down, and I'm just going to do that right now. So I'm going to put it on pause right now, and depaused it and back again. Now I've just waited for it to shut down, and it's shut down now. So now we can start. Okay, first of all, you take the power cord off. There's a lovely Apple emblem there. Take the power cord off, and you need to take the battery out. Now the battery just comes out simple, and there's a lever right there which you just take out like so, and the battery comes out. There you go. So that's sorted. Now you start on the keyboard. Now between the F8 and F9 there's a latch there, it's like a little clip, so you just put that down and lift it up like so. Yeah, like so. Yeah, and the same again with this one. Sorry about that, clip there is a bit fiddly. Okay, so you be a bit delicate because your keyboard is attached to this thing here, so it might be a bit different than yours, but it's attached there. So just lay it on to your trackpad, and you will see the hard drive, the heatsink, and bits and other pieces. Now this is the part where you need to worry about. Now I'm going to find my screwdriver, and just bear with me. Alright, I've got the screwdriver, and just basically unscrew the heatsink. So that needs to come off. Right, that's one screw off. The next screw. Pretty boring stuff, but it's done. And the heatsink just comes off like that. And there's your first empty memory slot. There's one behind it as well, but that's a bit more tricky. You're going to need to lift that off. But at this moment, I'm just going to be installing this in. So here it goes, and making sure it's the right way around, which I'm going to just have to give it a little push in like so. Oh, sorry, give it a push in like so, and then click it in place. When you hear that click, you know it's securely in place because on each side is a metal clip which secures their RAM. So that's in. Now what you've got to do is put the heatsink back on again, like so, and then screw the thing on again, like so. Let's do this. There you go. Pretty boring stuff, but it's done. There you go. So now we put the keyboard back on, like so, making sure each of these are in place. Yeah, which it is. And so that's that. So now we put the battery back in, and power cord back in there, and a pistol. So let's just put the start button right on. I'm going to push the start button right now. Wait for the chime. And it's on. Right, that's come on pretty fast. That's come on pretty fast because when it had only 128 megabyte RAM in there, it took forever. Believe me, it took forever. That's loading up. It's pretty quick. Some don't like this model of PowerBook, but I do. This model is the Apple Powerbook G3 PISMO, and it's the top of the range model version back then, and it's the 500 megahertz one with the Firewire. So look, I'm quite pleased with that. It's booted up fantastically, really quickly. It's booted up. Sorry about that. It's really quick. That is really quick. That's brilliant stuff. Yeah, that is fantastic. I'm going to go and get the system, about the system thing up now, and there it goes, about this Mac. Oh, that's just brilliant. I'm so happy with that. That's come up really quick. And there you go, you should see 640 megabyte of SDRAM. Sorry about the quality of the zooming power on this. Isn't really good, but it's there. 640 megabyte of SDRAM with the upgrade. Fantastic stuff, and thank you for watching.